Welcome back everyone. Today I made Palak Paneer. It is one of my family's favorites, so I really want to share with you all. To start, we will fry our paneer till they are golden for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you're having trouble finding paneer, you can always find it in your local Indian groceries. When they are done, keep them aside, and then in a pan we will start to add ghee. Make sure it is hot, then you can add your cumin seeds. Cook the cumin seeds till fragrant, which is about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add diced onions. You can cook the onions till they become a light brown color. Start to add garlic and ginger paste and make sure to mix well. Then start to add your spices, which would be garam masala, coriander, turmeric, amchur, red chili, and salt. Make sure to mix your spices till they're well combined and cook for 3 to 4 minutes so that the raw smell of the spices can cook off. Then start to add your tomato puree and mix well. While mixing your tomato puree with the onions, make sure to add ghee. Then cover for 5 minutes on medium heat. Next, add spinach and mix well. Make sure to blend the spinach a little, but do not make it pasty. Then add water and mix well on medium-high heat. Cover for 2-3 minutes. Then add heavy cream. Mix well and then cover for another 3 to 4 minutes. Afterwards, add your butter. Finally, add the paneer to the palak. Then cover for the last time for 2 minutes on medium-low heat. Serve and enjoy with roti, naan, rice, or anything else to your liking. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, check the links below for our Facebook page. Thank you for watching.